A kid's toy should not make me feel this happy. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And now and again I like to engage with my inner child on the channel by trying out some kids toys. Some of them have been actually surprisingly quite good. Ooh, magic. Ooh, it changes colour. To be fair, that's not too bad. And some of them have been awful. Oh my god. So this time I'm going to be trying out a little dinosaur nightlight. Well, it says nightlight music box, but it looks like a little terrarium thing. It looks super fun actually. I think this might be similar to when I did that little unicorn thing that was in a jar. I can't remember what it was, but this feels like a dinosaur version, but a slightly better version. But it could also end up being crap. So let's open this up and find out. Okay, so the box looks very promising. It looks very fun, well put together. It's definitely got shelf appeal. Like if I saw this on the shelf in a shop, I would pester me mum to buy it for us. The only annoying thing about it is they've stuck this sticker right on top of the picture. Like who does that? A murderer. But it says Dinosaur Nightlight Music Box. And I just bought this on Amazon. It's ages 3 and up, so I should be fine. And apparently it lights up, it's got music and specifications, colours and contents may vary from illustrations. Well, obviously, because that illustration's clearly photoshopped. I really doubt it's actually going to look like that once it's put together. It might, it definitely might, but I don't think it's going to. I'll be kind of impressed if it does though, that looks well nice. Okay, let's open this up, see what it's like. Okay, so we've got the plastic dome. Yeah, it is plastic. We have some little green pebbles, some orange pebbles, some dinosaurs and trees, a volcano and some other ornaments, some glue, a little wooden base with some lights attached to it, a paintbrush, I assume that's for the glue, and then a little instruction booklet. Alright. To be fair, I don't think this actually cost me a lot of money. And you get quite a lot of stuff in it. And it all looks pretty decent. It doesn't look like proper shit. And you even get a little screwdriver. What? Oh, I bet it doesn't have batteries though. And I bet I don't have any batteries. Right, I'm just gonna have a quick read of this manual just to figure out what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing, but just in case. Okay, so it seems pretty self-explanatory. To be fair, it looks really fun actually. It also says on here that the glue's not edible, so don't eat it. Alright, the first step, I need to put some batteries in. And I'm gonna have to go find some. 3 AAAs. I feel like AAA batteries are the hardest to come by as well. I'll see if I've got some. All is not lost, I've got some batteries. The thing is, I think some people would disagree, but I really like kids' toys, or I like toys that you have to actually put together and you have to be creative with and do stuff with, rather than just like unbox it and it's actually just there to play with. You have to actually do something. Let's just make sure this works. Oh, it's still going. That's delightful. How do I turn it off? That's a really nice little tune. Oh, that's so sweet. Do the lights work? Oh my god, what the hell? What? I was not expecting the lights to be as good as that. Are you shitting us? How much did I pay for this? It flashes as well. I'm such a child, but how much did this cost? So this little toy only cost me $16.99, and I haven't put it together yet, but I can already tell you, hands down, it is 100% worth $16.99. I am shocked. And on the little thing as well, they do different styles. So you can get like a mermaid one, a unicorn one, and I think a Christmas one. How fun!
Does she need to breathe in the paper bag?
The one thing that's really impressed us is the lights. How bright are they? And this is in a room full of studio lights and they're still really, really bright. I don't even think the image on the box was photoshopped. I think it was actually just a normal standard picture. Oh, yeah. Right, let's start putting this together. I'm well impressed. I'm so easily pleased. You know what? I don't understand how they're actually making any money from this. Because look at even like the little dinosaur models. They're not like mega shitty quality. Like they're pretty decent. And little toys and stuff like this, they cost a fortune these days. And even a little dinosaur egg. There's another one, look at that. You've got like a little toadstool, there's a few of them. A little tree stump with toadstools growing on it. You've obviously got the big volcano there with the explosion. And a nice pine tree and some plants. It's pretty insane. I think I'm so used to kids' toys toys being absolutely crap, that when I get something that's really nicely put together and like decent quality for a decent price, I'm proper taken aback. Anyway, we'll move all that to one side. You're probably gonna want the tall stuff in the middle because that needs to fit over. So I suppose I just have fun and place it where I want to place it, really. Oh my god, oh, it's even got one of them. What are these things called? Is it a pterodactyl? It's even got one of them in, and it looks well cute. All right, so with this glue, you just put some on, and then we're brushing it down. Apparently this glue dries in about 10 to 15 minutes as well, and then we'll just stick this down. The thing is, I was never really like a dinosaur kid when I was growing up. I wasn't really that into dinosaurs. I didn't mind them, but I think if I had something like this, I would have been into dinosaurs. I could have been a paleontologist or anything. I'm pretty sure it's paleontologists that study dinosaurs, isn't it? Someone can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure someone already has if I am wrong, because it's YouTube and people like to do that. Stick our tree down there. Oh, you're gonna get burnt alive, tree, by the volcano. Oh no. I'm thinking the taller stuff needs to be kind of in the center, and then the smaller stuff around the outside so you can actually see it. The thing is, I usually give these kids' toys that I've finished on the channel and stuff to my nieces and my nephews and stuff like that. But this time, I think I'm gonna keep this one to myself. They can have all the crap ones and I'll keep the good ones.
You selfish prick.
And this isn't a sponsored video. I'm not making any money off this product, just in case people think I am because of how much I like it. I know I do have a habit of slagging things off, but when things are good and things are decent, they deserve praise. And this definitely deserves praise. I can't believe how many dinosaurs you get in this. I'm just wondering though, is that going to fit into the dome? Yeah, I have to be careful. I'm going to have to really like compact everything together. I do think it's a good idea as well to keep checking with your dome that everything fits inside, just in case you stick something in and then at the end you can't get your dome on, because that would be a bit of a disaster. Okay, so I've got all the big main components on here. So that's my little arrangement at home if you want to copy my design. And now I just need to add all the other little bits just to kind of fill in the space and decorate it. Okay, so I finally finished sticking all of that stuff in, and honestly, it was so much fun. I've been just kind of gluing stuff in here, not paying attention to anything else, and I've thoroughly enjoyed myself. The only criticism that I have one criticism, is that these little rock things, these are basically the same things you get in fish tanks, you know, the kind of hard little pebbles, which are fine, I don't mind them, but I would much prefer them to be made out of like foam or something lighter, just so it's easier to stick in here. I found them a little bit tricky, but other than that, everything else has been fantastic. So now I need to unwind these lights, and then we place these into the dome. I suppose you could just put these anywhere you want them to be, and then just pop our little dome on the top. It didn't say to glue the dome onto here, but I suppose you could if you wanted to. I personally wouldn't, just in case any of your stuff fell off, and you might want to go back in and touch it back up again. And there we go. Gorgeous. Oh, it's so adorable. It's so ridiculously cute. I love it. Oh my god. There are no words. There are literally no words. A kid's toy should not make me feel this happy. It just shouldn't. It's not allowed. Especially for something that I just bought on a whim, thinking it was going to be like this shit, cheap, crappy thing, and it turns out to be amazing. What are the chances? But this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. I love it to bits. It's fantastic. But I'm going to take it downstairs. We're going to put the music on, put the lights on, and see what it looks like in the dark. And I'm even more excited for that. And here it is. Oh my god. It looks even better in the dark. It looks so cool. I'm shocked at how bright and how vibrant this little thing is. Usually with kids' toys, especially light up ones, they're very kind of dull, but that's got such a shine on it. Like it's lighting the entire bathroom up. Oh my god. I honestly, I can't get over it. I really can't. Kids' toys have come on so well since my day. Let's play the music. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm just shocked, like all the details. Look at it. It looks so cool. And there it is with all the like lights on the wall. Oh my god. It's absolutely amazing. I'm over the moon. I think this is one of the best things I've ever bought, and that says a lot. And the fact that it's a kid's toy too, I can't get over it. This definitely deserves a space in the studio. It's going somewhere, it's going behind us, 100%. Everyone needs to see this forever and ever. And I was just thinking as well, the only way this could literally send me over the edge at how amazing it is if the theme song that it played, the little jingle, was actually Jurassic Park. If it had Jurassic Park is the little music box sound, you'd have lost us. I'd be gone. I'd either be in tears, or I'd have a nervous breakdown at how ridiculously amazing it is. And I know a lot of my audience, they have like grandkids and little kids and stuff like that. I don't think I obviously have actual kids watching, but if your kids like to make little things and just like ridiculously cute things, I would 100% recommend you get one of these for them, because even if they don't like it, you will love it. You'll literally love it. You'll take it off them.
Foul ball for her. Oh.
And again, this isn't sponsored, I'm not affiliated, I'm not going to give you any links or discount codes or anything like that. The only reason I'm giving this such high praise is because I thought it was going to be absolutely shite, and it turned out to be the complete opposite. And it's shocking that, really. Usually it's the other way around. I think something's going to be amazing and it turns out to be awful. It's very, very rare something bamboozles us, like this little thing did. Where am I going to put it? I'm going to have to find a place. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video as much as I did, I absolutely loved it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you come across any kids toys or anything like that you want me to test out on the channel, especially ones where you have to actually make stuff with it, then feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I'll let you know if they're worth it or not. 100% worth it. And I'll see you next week for a brand new video. You are killing us with cuteness, and I'm fine with that. You can murder me all you want. Oh my god.